Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can create and run a C++ project in Visual Studio. First, I will click on the start button and then search for Visual Studio, and I will open it up. And here we will click on create new project. And here in this all languages, we will select C++ and we can see all these project options. If you don't see these options, then in the bottom, you will find a link which will help you to install more tools and features. Click on that. It will open up the Visual Studio installer. And here you have to install desktop development with C++ package. Now, once this package is installed, you can reopen the Visual Studio and here you will find all these options. Now, in order to create the project, I will choose the console application, console app, and then click on next. And here I need to give a name. So I will say hello CPP, and then we will click on create. It will create the project. And if you go to the Solution Explorer, we can see the project created. And in this source files folder, we can see hello cpp.cpp file has been created and it has been opened here. And here this program simply displays hello world text on the screen. Now, before running this program, what we do is we will set up the C++ standard. For that, we have to go to the Solution Explorer, select the project, in this case hello cpp, and then right click, click on properties, and here we will go to the general, and here we can find C++ language standard. By default, it is default ISO C++ 14 standard. Here, if we select that, we can click on this down arrow and we can select the standard that we want. If you're someone who is getting started with C++, then I recommend you guys to go with preview features from latest C++ working draft. Select that, and then here we will click on apply and OK. Now, in order to run this program, first we need to select the mode, whether we want to build it in the debug mode or release mode. Here I will choose debug, and then I will click on this local Windows debugger. Now it will build the project. It will open up a console window, and here we can see the output of the program. Now, in order to close this, I have to press any key in my keyboard. Once I press any key, the command window disappears. So this is how we can create and run a C++ project in Visual Studio. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.